Choosing the right PCB manufacturer directly determines the success or failure of electronic products. By 2026, technological iterations and increasingly complex supply chains will make partner selection criteria even more stringent. The current PCB market landscape is diverging. AI hardware, automotive electronics, and high-end communications are driving growth, while general-purpose PCB capacity is oversupplied and high-tech specialty boards face supply shortages. Hybrid supply chains are becoming mainstream, requiring manufacturers to offer cost advantages, stable quality, and rapid response capabilities. One-stop integrated PCBA services are emerging as an industry trend, consolidating production, component sourcing, and assembly into a unified process. This approach incorporates upfront DFM design optimization, streamlines communication, centralizes quality control, shortens R&D cycles, and reduces operational costs. Kaboer has specialized in PCBA manufacturing for 16 years. Our Shenzhen-based factory ensures end-to-end process control, supporting multi-layer boards, HDI, flexible boards, and rigid flex boards. Our high-end SMT capabilities handle micro-components and complex packaging, complemented by comprehensive testing. This makes us suitable for high-specification applications in automotive, medical, and industrial sectors. Full process quality inspection plus pre-DFM review guarantees product quality. We optimize prototyping workflows to accelerate time to market and leverage a diversified procurement network to mitigate component shortage risks. Holding authoritative certifications including ISO, IEC 16949, and ISO 13485, we meet global compliance standards. Addressing emerging trends in embedded components, high-frequency materials, and green manufacturing, Kaboer continuously invests in cutting-edge technologies. Selecting PCB partners requires balancing technology, quality, and service beyond unit price. With 16 years of industry expertise, Kaboer delivers one-stop PCBA solutions, enabling electronic products to transition from concept to mass production.